Started. Welcome everyone to OCP Networking and to the OCP Tech Week. We've got a lot of stuff queued up for networking this week, so just wanted to go through a quick set of intros. So my name is Omar Baldonado. I'm part of the Facebook Network Infrastructure Group, have been there for over 7 years, kind of in all aspects of data center and our disaggregated switches, and have been part of OCP for the last 7 years as well. I just wanted to have Rupa and Shin introduce themselves as well.
Hi, hello everybody. I'm looking forward to all the talks today. I'm Rupa. Was part of Cumulus Linux for about 8 years and now at NVIDIA, and recently joined the OCP networking group. My background is basically open networking and been part of OCP and Linux kernel communities and many other Linux communities. So happy to be here, looking forward to all the conversations.
Good morning. This is Xin from Microsoft. I have been with Microsoft working on Azure compute and networking for 8 years. I'm the project lead for Sony Kansai. Very happy to see everyone and looking forward to the talks in this week's OCP Tech Week.
Great, thanks. So this is just a kickoff, just to give a quick overview for networking. So as a reminder, if you've seen inside the OCP and FNTech tool already, you've had access to the whole schedule. But at an overview, we've got 2 days, today and Friday, with a lot of talks. We have maybe a little bit of a break time, but pretty much every session we've asked the speakers to not fill up the whole time slot with speaking and content, but to leave explicit time, 10 minutes or so at the end of each, or 5 to 10 minutes at the end of each talk for Q&A. So totally would ask you all to lean into that and ask questions. Also wanted to say an official thanks to all the speakers and the various companies that have been involved in preparing these talks. So you can see the list there below, and I hope and expect that we'll have a lot more companies who will be engaged in the discussions during the talks. Again, just as an overview, this is available in your schedule online, but you can see we have a full list of talks both today and Friday. So just a quick recap also in terms of since Global Summit, a few months ago, we've been within OCP networking, we've been working with various companies on their contributions that they've been wanting to pull together for OCP. We've also seen the restart, a number of companies interested in restarting the Campus Branch Wireless CBW working group. And so we have a couple of talks related to that this week. So that's exciting. There's also been a lot of work within the Sonic and Psi releases projects with some new releases in the last few months as well. So finally, just wanted to wrap up with a call for everybody. There are many different ways to contribute. I think if you've been with OCP for a while, contributions started out as specs and designs, hardware specs and designs, and then we moved to software packages. But then it's really expanded out. I think this is something that OCP has really been looking for and encouraging, is that the whole community can find lots of different ways to contribute, especially around if you've been developing content around reference architectures or test scenarios or deployment use cases and case studies. So there's a lot that we would love to encourage within the community. I know not everybody can contribute a base hardware spec and full design package, but that's okay, because only certain companies within OCP are are going to look at that level of detail. There are a lot of other companies that maybe want some higher level case studies and reference architectures, or even how you just deployed almost experience papers and how you deployed these. So with that, I think we'll wrap up there. So again, please engage this week as well as with the whole community throughout the year. Thank you.